Welcome back, fellow game developers. Today, we're taking on an exciting challenge, giving our test level a complete makeover. While we might not have the final vision of our game completely locked down, it's time to put it into a more structured framework. After careful consideration, I've decided to go with a classic dungeon-style layout with interconnected rooms. Take a look at what we have here. Would you believe this entire environment was built using just two building blocks? We have our basic wall block and our decorative corner piece. Isn't it amazing how much you can achieve with such simple elements? Now comes the fun part. We're going to populate this space using all the game elements we've created in our previous episodes. As you're about to see, this level is going to tell its own story. Watch how each room presents different challenges and opportunities for our player. I've also decided to indulge in a bit of visual experimentation today. You'll notice I've assigned different colors to various game elements to make them more distinguishable. And here's a valuable tip for you all. When choosing colors for game elements that appear together, don't just go with your gut feeling. Instead, visit one of the many websites where the community shares their carefully crafted color palettes. Browse through these pre-made combinations and pick one that suits your needs. These community-created palettes are tried and tested, ensuring your colors will work harmoniously together. Matching colors is one of the secret ingredients to making your game visually appealing. Look at how our game is coming alive. Our players can now experience their first genuine adventures. See how this room creates tension with strategically placed turrets? And over here, we've got a challenging section where players need to destroy obstacles while avoiding enemy fire. Each area is designed to test different skills we've implemented. Oh, and I almost forgot something crucial. In our previous episode, we missed a vital component, the positive completion of a level. After all, our players' ultimate goal will be to emerge victorious from each mission they undertake. Let me show you how we're implementing this victory condition. See that imposing tower-like structure in the distance? That's our final objective. After fighting through all the challenges we've set up, players will need to destroy this massive structure to achieve victory. When that tower comes crumbling down, it creates a truly satisfying conclusion to our level. It gives our level a clear purpose and direction. Now that we have our basic level structure in place, we're ready to take our game to the next level. Let me give you a sneak peek at what we'll be covering in our next episode. We're going to dive into weapon systems. We'll start by implementing 3 distinct weapon types, each with its own unique characteristics. We'll also create a basic upgrade system to give players a sense of progression. And to tie it all together, we'll design a smooth weapon switching interface that feels intuitive and responsive. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this series. Your support helps us continue creating these tutorials. Until next time, happy coding, and keep building amazing games.